Yo, what is up guys? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you the business model that made me $1,500 a month as a 16-year-old. I've always loved the video editing and using my creativity, so when I went to choose a business, I chose something that's highly relevant in today's age. So what is short format content agency? A short format content agency is an agency that creates engaging short videos that often have flashy edits and subtitles. This doesn't just look cool, but it also creates a brand identity for the client and can help them make more revenue. The best thing about this business model is that it costs $0 to start, and all you need is to learn how to edit videos. Well, that can take some time, but it's totally worth it once you get the hang of it. And now I'm going to spill the juice that over 100 people have DM'd me about. How do you reach out to clients? I'm now going to be showing you guys the trick, the ultimate trick to getting clients. So when reaching out to clients, you need to scout on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube, and really just try to find influencers that you think could up their quality. So it's two options. Either they don't already post short format content, so you can tell them that you can help them get started with that. Or they post short format content, but it's very poor quality. So you can help them get better quality and really just up their levels. The best sales trick that I've ever used is giving out free value. Instead of trying to talk them into doing business with you, show them. I always offer a free demo video so they see that I possess the skills that I say I have. Well, I'm sure you get the deal now. So let's dive deeper into this. How much should you charge? When first starting out, try to be cheap and get experience. When I first started out, I charged about $10 to $15 per video. And once I started getting results, then I started to charge about $30 to $50 per video. Now remember, making these videos takes you an average of 30 to 40 minutes, so getting anywhere from $20 to $40 per short video is pretty decent. Well, also something that is very great is that this business model is also friendly when it comes to scaling. If you're charging $30 for a video, you have very good margins, and that means that you can choose to hire somebody to make the video for $10. You then end up making a $20 profit without even doing the editing, and this is all very achievable. So let me show you guys how you can do this. So let's go on any freelancing website, but I'm going to be choosing Fiverr. So let's go and take a look around. Well, here you see, for example, this guy does brilliant work for only 10 to 20 bucks. So once you can't handle the workload yourself, bring on some freelancers so they can help you. What I have done is that I started out editing short format content for many crypto influencers and people in the finance stage. Once you feel that you have mastered that 100%, move over to long format videos like YouTube. The more services you offer with your agency, the better. So you can have a deal package where you offer a set amount of short videos and long format videos. And then you can also outsource the thumbnail on Fiverr, for example. This is all very friendly, so always make sure, try to learn skills that you can sell. I started with short format, but then moved also over to making long formats. So as you guys can see, I'm scaling my services and my team constantly, and that is what you need to be doing. My goal is to have a full-on agency running automatic and where my full job is getting clients. But for now, I do lots of editing myself. I can edit 2 to 3 hours a day easily. Remember that it's super important to understand the service that you're providing. Usually with the typical SMMA people, they do Facebook ads, but they don't understand anything. You need to know the service to be able to sell it. But with video editing, it's so much easier and simple and straightforward. You have all of the resources that you need online. So I just want to say one last thing. If you're struggling with finding motivation or feel like it's too hard, stop overthinking and start getting to work. You're always only one video away from getting a good portfolio. You're always only one message away from getting a client. So just try to find that passion in you to create something. Because it's very, very much easier if you do a little every day. If you want to follow me and my community's journey, join the Discord, a link in the description. I am planning to keep on posting my journey and also some tutorials on how you can get started as well. In the Discord, we have lots of free stuff that you might need. So please like and subscribe to this video if you like my content, and thank you. Peace!